Welcome. In this short video, I will show you how to add emissive effects in your projects. When you create a scene in Badvisor and start creating your materials, as usual, you can import or create new materials and connect them to your assets. You can simply use the parameters or also import your textures and connect them. Same goes for the emission. You can use the values on the material node or also add any texture map and connect it. Here, you can change the color and the intensity. As you can see, right now the intensity is not adding too much to the scene. So to make it brighter, you need to go to the outliner, open settings, open the effects node. Here, you can find a list of effects and right now, open glow and enable it. Now, you can see how the intensity will make your emissive texture brighter and you can tweak the values. Then, you can also enable bloom and try to change the weight a little if you need. That's it for this quick tutorial. I hope these little tricks will help you to improve your scenes. If you want to know more about materials or have any questions, please let us know in the comments below or join our community on Discord, links in the description. Thank you for watching.